In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop a presentation in Canva, whether you're preparing for an important meeting, setting up a display booth, or just want to keep your audience engaged effortlessly. Looping your presentation can be a highly effective tool. Let's dive in and explore how you can achieve this seamlessly using Canva. First things first, head over to Canva's website by opening your browser and navigating to canva.com. Here you'll need to sign in using your credentials. You'll find the login button conveniently located in the upper right corner of the page. If you haven't got an account yet, you can consider logging in using Google or Facebook, which makes the process really quick and straightforward. Alternatively, you can use your email to sign in, whatever suits you best. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to open your presentation. If you've got your presentation all set and ready, locate the share icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking this will bring up your sharing options and you'll want to select download. Now it's crucial to download your presentation as an MP4 file. This ensures that your visual content maintains its fidelity while making it suitable for video playback. Once the download is complete, locate the MP4 file that you just saved to your computer and open it. With your video opened, simply look for the loop button, which is generally found below the video player. By clicking this loop button, your presentation will automatically restart after reaching the end, creating a seamless and continuous playback experience. Looping your presentation can greatly enhance the way your audience interacts with your content, whether you're running an exhibition, hosting a product demo, or organizing a virtual event. It allows you to maintain a steady flow of information without disruptions, providing a more professional and engaging experience. Moreover, if you are presenting in a dynamic setting where people might join midway through the presentation, looping ensures that no one misses out on important information. They can easily catch on and loop back to the start. It's that simple. Remember, practicing the steps a couple of times can build your confidence and streamline the process. Plus, it offers an excellent opportunity to double check your content and ensure everything is displaying as it should be before presenting. Enjoy looping your presentation and make the most out of your Canva experience to communicate your ideas effectively.